This is a used 2004 Lincoln Aviator, powered by all-wheel drive, a 4.6-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 5-speed automatic transmission. The features include leather seats, steering wheel controls, memory seats, trailer hitch, aluminum rims, auto-dimming mirrors, dual temperature controls, automatic climate control, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, an alarm system. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, curtain head airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Stanford Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 212 McGee Avenue, Stamford, Connecticut 6902.